I've seen this, been waiting for this for a while. So, it's super cute. So here, it is pink. It's a small label maker, but you have to see this because it's too cute. Oh my god, look at this. The little pig face. Came with different styles. Pick this one because it's super cute. And so it's a micro USB cable here. And then you open this side. You need to make sure how do you put the label. Paper testing blade. So let's see here. So this clip here, you just press it down, push it down, and then open. It does come with, I'm trying to take the label out. It comes with one roll. This is the set. And then that's how it looks like inside. And then the label, it's you can easily buy them online in any office supply store. This is the size. And it says, please do not tear off. And then you use this side here. So you take this off. Oops. Now just make sure, like this. And then it comes in. So let's charge to see. The cable is not too long, but most of the USB-C fits, so you can easily just, okay, so I'm gonna just bring it here to show you. When it's charging, it has a little green button, a flashing light, and let's see, download the Printmaster app. So you use it with the app. It's super cute. And then too convenient. I'm gonna download the app and then try out.